Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to manage your eBay account. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then tap on My eBay at the bottom side of your screen. Scroll a little bit to the down and click Settings. In the account settings, you can manage your shipping address, your personal information. You can manage your notifications, emails, and you can read some measurements and analytics. So you need to tap on any section you want to edit, and then enter new information and of course save changes. So that's how you can manage your eBay account. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.